Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x8024A004, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now we have two solutions for you. The first one is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. I'll just mention the exact name of the troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Okay, so I have a script for you and I will share the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this will do. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution cat root 2 folders. It will delete all the DLL, re-register all the necessary DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.